In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Dungeons on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, create your character and make sure you go through with the tutorial inside the game. The multiplayer functionalities will be unlocked after you finish the first tutorial of the game. Once you are done and you are around the mission select part, you will be able to open up the pause menu by pressing start, and from that pause menu you should see yourself listed over at the players tab at the top, and you should also see 3 empty slots. It's in those 3 empty slots that your friends will be able to join your game session to play together. Underneath players, you should see game sessions and your actual friends list on the Nintendo Switch. From the Friends tab, you should be able to invite anyone who is online and is running Minecraft Dungeons at the same time as you, as long as they have also finished the tutorial. They will have this distinct invite button next to their name, and when you click invite, they will get a notification inside of the game that allows you to join your currently existing game session, and both of you will be able to play together as long as the session is active. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Dungeons on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.